Hi, today we are going to learn about how to find the minimum value in a list of integers, for which we are going to use the simple for loop and then using the stream API as well. So there is two ways. One is the minimum and using the min function, and second is we are going to use the sorted function. So let's get started. So this one is the previous one. Now let's create another. So I will give this class as the name of the min list element. Let's create the method of the main method. Create as the list of integer. Li is equal to list of list can contain the duplicate element as well. So that's this much of the list. We have to find the minimum value. So let's take some another of negative values as well. Okay. Now let's create one method, public static, which will return as the type of the integer, and then find min. Then we take as argument of the list of integer. Now initially I will take one local variable of main value of integer dot max value, and using the enhance for loop of type integer I, or we can say e, in the li, which will iterate every element over, and we will check using the condition of if main value is greater than the element, then we'll update the main value with this element. In this way we will store the minimum value. Now we will return the main value. Here it automatically convert to the integer type. So let's take this as the integer. Let's check if this is correct or not. I will directly find min in the li. Now let's compile and run. We get our minimum value of this much. How we can change the method of from for loop to, let's use the stream method. Okay, I will comment this. I'll create another method, public static, which will return an integer, and the find min with stream of min method. Then use the, which will take the list of integer as an argument. So let's write that li and convert it into the stream, then find the min value, and using the comparator, using the method of a b, and a dot compare to b, correct, and then we'll use the get method to return the value. Let's return this value, see if it is working or not. find mean with stream function and pass the li. Now compile and run this. So we get our response here. It's coming from the string method. So this is correct. Now it is saying to convert into the shortest, replace with the lambda function with method reference integer compared to. Okay. Now let's see another method, another way how we can achieve this using the sorting. So here I will create another method. Let's minimize this. So public static integer type return type is and find mean with stream in sorted. Okay. So list of type integer and so we need to return convert this list of integer to stream, then we have to sort it. It is the default ascending order of the sorting. Then we have to find the first of element, then we have to return this get the element, because find first return as the optional parameter, so we will get the value using the dot get. Now let's return and check if it is working or not. Find mean with sorted of li getting from string of sorted. Now let's compile and run and see the output as it is correct.